guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a quick one. Yes, I want to share with you certain skincare rules you should never miss, skincare routine you should have. You know, waking up in the morning and having your bath, creaming your body, using your body spray, your roll-on, your perfume is like breathing. That is everything you do every day. That is never a routine. For me, that is never a routine, because whether you like it or yes, you have to do it. It's just like living. That is living a life. But as a care queen, as a skin lover, as a self-care lover, you have to have certain kind of routines that you do and keep up morning and night, or thrice a week, you know, to keep up your skin popping and glowing and everything. And by so doing, you are trying to prevent some certain kinds of skin problems that you can actually avoid. Allowing everything to just be like that and thinking you can live a life and avoiding all those skin routines you need to have as a girl or as a guy, as somebody that loves a good skin, then you're not doing anything, you're not helping yourself. There are certain things you need to do. The first thing I am going to mention to you is having a body scrub. Number one, having a body scrub. You need to keep on testing scrub and know the one that is suitable for your skin. By now, I'm sure you should know your body type. Please, if you do not know the skin type, if you do not know your skin type, go and test. You need to go and test your skin type so that you know your skin type. Is very important, please. It's very important. You can't avoid it. So that anything you are using on your skin, you know you are using for your skin type, and it works wonders. Instead of you keep trying everything, trying this one, why not just go test your skin and know? So that if there is any video about acne scars or acne or, you know, blackheads, and somebody will be like, this one is for a combination skin, this one is for a sensitive skin, then you know it's not for you. So that it's not every video you see you try and it doesn't work, and at the end of the day you say it doesn't work, it's a lie and all that. Please go test your skin, know your skin type. And if there is any video, if you watch any video about anything that you need, please ask for the skin type. You can ask in the comment section so that a person tells you if it is for all skin type or there is a particular skin type that it will work for, so that you don't just end up wasting money and at the end of the day nothing works out. Please, that is by the way. I'm sorry for diverting. So I was talking about scrub. Yes, you have your scrub. So I was saying you test your skin, then know a kind of scrub that suits you. And you can also prepare brown sugar, can prepare maybe brown sugar, rose water, or you add honey. Just brown sugar and honey can go for some sensitive skin. By so doing, you know, just you can try coffee scrub, you can try oatmeal scrub, you can try brown sugar scrub. You know, just know what to do, know what to use on your skin. Please know what works for you. Have a scrub. You should be scrubbing your skin at least twice in a week. Don't let the dead skin cells on your skin accumulate and cause you to, you know, you begin to have some kind of things you should not have. Acne begin to come out and all that because your pores are clogged. It has clogged your pores. When the dead skin cells accumulate, your pores is nothing to write them about. So anything that is going in there is just there, it's not entering, and it begins to cause certain reactions for you. So scrub your skin, clean yourself. I don't know, whenever you finish scrubbing, whether you don't feel yourself, you feel your skin so clean, you feel like you've done something very big. That's how I feel. So I don't know for another person. So learn to scrub your skin at least twice in a week. That is having a routine. That is having a routine and setting out, maybe every weekend I must scrub my skin. That is having a routine. Or I must scrub my skin twice in a week, maybe on Mondays or during the midweek I must scrub my skin. That's having a routine. Another routine you must add to your skin routine, is having a moisturizer. Moisturizers are very important. I will advise that you use a moisturizer anytime you know that day is a sunny day and you're going under the sun. Don't use anything like lightening lotion, brightening lotion, anything that you know you are trying to treat something, anything like steroid. Please don't take it near your skin when you know it's a sunny day or you know you are going to stress yourself. Your lotion is best for you to just use at night and lie down and sleep. Anything you know you are using to maybe take care of some kind of things on your skin is best used at night, where you just finish using it and then you relax and sleep. Or it's best used in a day that you know you're not doing any other thing. It's just you and your skin. There are some days like that. Yes, maybe during the weekend when you're not up to work, you can just decide to take care of absolute care of your skin. Invest on your skin. It is the first thing that anybody sees. Let your skin do the talking for you. Please don't go into a place and look embarrassed, and at the end of the day you end up using so many makeup to cover up things. Take care of your skin, please. A moisturizer helps prevent so many things. It maintains your skin, smoothens your skin, and also help you prevent from so many sun harmful damages, sunburn, inflammations, and all that. So have a moisturizer. Use it during the day and then use your body lotions at night. Any body lotions that you know is not a moisturizer, don't use it during the day. Any body lotions that you know will tamper with your skin, don't use it during the day. Use it at night while you're sleeping, except your own side, your own area. You know you don't have sun, then you are good. You don't have sun, you are good. But if you are here that there is sun during the day, please don't try it. Don't damage your skin, please. Another thing you are going to add to your skincare routines to finally have the skin that you always wanted. There's how you see somebody coming and you be like, you feel the person is very rich. But when you see somebody's skin very clean, you feel like the person is always under AC now, no stress, so the skin should be clean. But it's a lie. There are people that just decide to take care of their skin and look good. Looking good is a good business. So what you're going to add to your skincare routine is oils, natural oils. You can prepare your oils by yourself by using argan oil as a base. Then you add other oils to glow your skin. There is how you mix oil and use during the weekend. Then it takes care of so many things. Pimples, it takes care of polishes your skin, glows your skin, blends your skin, take care of so many things that even your lotion cannot take care of. That's how oil is powerful. And it helps you heal from so many things like inflammations, heal from damages, sunburns, heal from redness. Oils help in healing so many things. It helps you recover your skin. So why not include oil in your skincare routine? Use it during the weekend when you're not out to work, or that day you're not going to work. You have your bath and finish and use your oil in your damn skin. Don't clean yourself with your towel. Just apply your oil like that, like you do to babies. Keep doing this every week. Have your routine and do it every week. Then you won't have anything to worry about some certain skin condition, except your skin condition is due to kind of maybe medical issues or hereditary kind of thing. The only thing I should be treating, I should be worrying about, or somebody should be worrying me about, or I should be most focused on telling tips about, is medical issues and hereditary kind of stuff. But as a care queen, you should know some kind of things on your own. Have your routine to prevent things, to prevent you from spending so much money on things you would have taken care of on your own. As a care queen, you should be able to be having your bath twice in a day. Yes, have your bath in the morning, apply your moisturizer and go maybe to work or to the market. Anything you are doing, come by in the night, have your bath, your cold bath. Then you can apply your lotion, or if you're having any treatment that has to do with steroid or anything, please do it at night, so that the treatment doesn't turn to something you cry for, or you you, you now get so angry on why you wasted your money. Sometimes this thing works, but we just do it wrongly. So try to know the right things to do for yourself to prevent you from spending so much money. I mentioned scrub as one thing you should add to your daily skincare routine. Then I mentioned a moisturizer. Have your moisturizer that is suitable for your skin. Then include oils in your weekend routines. Include oil, and once in a while you can visit your spa if you are not good, if you don't know how to mix your oils. A good massage is something. A good massage is something. And one important thing you need to add to your daily skincare routine, but this one is also overall wellness, is learn to detox. Learn to detox. Imagine you are detoxing your liver, you're detoxing your skin every day, and you're also scrubbing with the right scrub and using your oil during the weekend. You should be glowing, you should be shimmering. You will be posh, you look polished. Hey, you see all this, somebody that goes under AC and then come out, your skin will glow. You will be posh, you will be polished. Do the right things for your skin and you won't have any problem with skincare. In fact, skincare will look so simple for you. To look like the only thing you can do for yourself is to take care of your skin. Does it really matter? Just do what you have to do. Know the right things. Have your bath. Detox your liver. You even have natural detox. You don't necessarily have to spend so much. You can detox yourself with chlorophyll. Yes. You can detox yourself with lemon. Add half slice of lemon into a cup of warm water, or divide your lemon into 3 and add 1 part into your cup of warm water, and then you drink when you're about going to bed or first thing in the morning. But I just prefer doing everything while I'm going to bed because that's what actually works for me. That's what works for me. I think during the day I'll be so stressed out and anything I'm doing for my skin won't work out. So I like when I'm relaxed. At the end of work, I come back, then I can detox myself. Your lemon water, lemongrass water, ginger water, ginger tea, lemongrass tea, lemon tea, all those things are natural detox. You can also make use of your apple cider vinegar. Add half tablespoon of your apple cider vinegar into a cup of water. Detox yourself. You see how it helps your skin. All these things, it helps your skin because by so doing you are detoxing your liver. You are cleaning your liver. And when your liver is okay, your skin will be popping. Your skin will be fine. So just do this for yourself. Clean yourself, scrub yourself, drink your detox teas, have your baths. Don't accumulate unnecessary things on your skin. Use your moisturizer daily and use whatever you want to use at night. Then make sure you include oils during the weekend and you are good to go. So what you should be worried about is getting to know your skin type. It's not even a problem. Just enter a lab and test your skin. Skincare lab, dermatologist, test your skin and you know your skin type. Know your skin type. She can also recommend a moisturizer suitable for your skin type for you so that you use during the day. It is not a difficult task. It's just knowing what to do for yourself. It's not a difficult thing. So doing all this, I want you to come back to my comment section and let me know how your skin is popping. Yeah, because I know surely. Did I mention that you should apply your facial masks in the night? It's very important. You see, facial mask has a way of giving you a beautiful such a kind of face that you want to go out without makeup. Yes, facial masks, doing the right natural facial masks, knowing what to mix, something like banana, avocado pear, all those kind of fruits, or you can mix your watermelon with ginger blend it and squeeze out the water and use it as a cleanser. Do this at night. Use it as a cleanser, or use banana facial mask or kimber facial mask. Use this facial mask at night, every day or twice in a week. How do what suits you. Don't do something you won't be able to keep up. Do whatever you know you can keep up with it. I don't want it to look good this week and next week you're looking like what I don't know. Please do what suits you. Schedule everything well so that you do it every day. You know that you don't miss out. Let your skin get used to you doing the right things, and it's going to balance up. So do your facial masks, apply it at night. Some facial masks you can apply it overnight and sleep. Some facial masks is advisable to rinse out after like 30 or 40 minutes. Maybe it's very harsh for people that have sensitive skin, but most facial masks you can use it overnight. Depends what you're adding, depends your mixture, the ones that works for you. Or just make you unsweetened yogurt, apply it on your face, use it overnight. My baby girl, there is how you test powder on your face. Test powder, test this one, and after the makeup you're like, my face is better. You're like, but I have a better face than this makeup, and you just clean everything up and want to go natural. That is the power of having a beautiful skin. Yes, I know. Yes, there are people that just like, they like the looks of makeup, but there are people that after applying makeup they see that their natural skin is preferable. They clean it up and they walk away. They like it. That's when you have a beautiful skin that you're proud of. So take care of it so that you have a beautiful skin that you're proud of. Endeavor to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it to your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to hit that subscription button. Follow me on my Instagram at Regina Odofiaren, my Twitter Odofiaren Regina, and my Facebook at Regina Odofiaren. I love you. Bye.